front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Since I'm working with smartphones almost every day, I get a lot of comments about split screen on HONOR. That's because it's not that easy as it should be. Let me explain. First of all, pick an app you want to use in split screen view and launch it in the background like that. When you're ready, you need to tap on this icon at the top right corner to open this one in pop-up view first. Now, to make it smaller, you can click on Home button, or you can click on this one of a line at the top left corner to turn it into a bubble. Either way, you'll be able to access it by tapping on it. Now, with this app out of the way, we can pick a second one. Launch it and click on your window to make it bigger again. Now the trick is to hold this line, the blue one, at the top of your window and drag it all the way to the top or all the way down. So if you want this app to be at the top, let go now. If you want it to be at the bottom, now it's time to let go. Either way, when you see a blurry area, you can let go like I said, and finally use both apps at once. Now, if you want to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe both of them, or if you still want to use one, you can hold those three dots in the middle of your apps and drag one all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button when you want to close remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!